Hello friends, the problem of kidney stone is very common these days. So here we come up with an ancient Indian remedy which will solve your kidney stone problem within 8 to 10 days. So it's very easy remedy. You can prepare this medicine at home and all the things required you can get in your kitchen, and it is very effective. In fact, one of my friend, he was suffering from kidney stone since last 1 year, and doctors have suggested him that he should get operated. But then he took this medicine, and within 8 days, his kidney stone problem was gone. So here we are going to tell you what you need. Take 10 gram saltpeter, which is also known as potassium nitrate. Then take 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Then take 4 teaspoon lemon juice. Then take 4 teaspoon white sugar and take 600 gram mineral water. So now we'll show you how to make this medicine. So here we have taken a bowl in which we will boil the water. So pour the water in the bowl. The quantity of water, it's 600 ml. Now pour 4 teaspoon of sugar, white sugar. So here we have added sugar, and now we have added turmeric, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Next we will add lemon juice, so 4 teaspoon lemon juice. So here lemon juice have been added. Next pour all the saltpeter. It was 10 gram saltpeter. Now you see the mixture in front of you. Mix it well and let it boil. So this much amount of medicine will be sufficient for 3 days. So you have to take this medicine up to 10 or 12 days for getting complete relief from kidney stone. Now this medicine will boil. Let it boil and boil it till it remains half. That means we have taken 600 milligram of water and boil it till it remains 300. So it will start boiling. Here you can see after 5 minutes this medicine has started boiling, and let it boil till it remains half. So friends, here you can see the medicine has been boiled and now is being cooled down. So it has been remained half or almost half. So the things that you need to keep in mind is that don't make this medicine for 10 to 12 days. In one go, make this for only 2 days. Take 50 gram in each dose and take 3 doses a day. So you will consume 150 gram medicine per day, 50 gram and 3 times a day. And one more thing that you need to keep in mind is that you should not eat non-veg food for 10 days and avoid brinjal and guava. And if you don't find saltpeter or potassium nitrate, you can use normal soda, which is sodium bicarbonate. And now we are going to filter this medicine. Now you see, so here So you see this medicine. Let it be cool and keep it in a clean bottle and take 50 grams 3 times a day. So this medicine will be for 2 days, and after 2 days you need to make it again and take it for 10 days. And it is an ancient Indian remedy, so it will work for sure. You can remain assured. For more such medicine, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.